Actually, one question you get to time beaucoup shit. Give me the fuck out your camera, bitch. Fuck wrong with you?
Well, fuck you. I've been scarred since a child. My whole life been running wild. Every time a nigga get an inch, you know a younger took a mine. Watch my daddy beat my mama, I ain't gonna say it, make me wild. Like fucked up, cause why the fuck I lost my very first child?
What the hell you two back with another video? Yeah, we back with another video. You know how we get.
We back with another video. You heard in the back that bitch stop playing. We get active over there. I mean that.
Get active. Oh, getting a sausage.
Sausage on the stick.
So what?
He eating that bitch.
What you guys said? Damn. Yeah, it'd be hard to flip the camera.
I'm knowing.
I look cute. I don't look good on the camera. You didn't start recording, huh? Yeah, you used to this. I can't hold my phone.
I'm dead. You just need one. You really should have never gave that.
Trying to see, man.
You just be so quick to you. You be acting like you ain't gonna need it in the future.
Trying to see. Cause I'm a YouTuber now. But don't get it twisted. I'm still a gangster. I'll shoot the fire, beat the fuck out you, and whoop the fuck out you, and your little partner ain't gonna wanna fuck with that.
Baby right here. You know what I'm saying? Motherfucking baby right here.
What's her name?
You know what I'm saying? That's Dorothy. And then you got Luther.
Oh, hold up. I ain't see them over here.
I'm sorry. I didn't introduce you. You know what I'm saying?
Luther, that's her name?
Nah, that's his name. You know what I'm saying? You got Pops and you got Mons in the baby.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? I got she's single over there. You know what I'm saying? That's my little hoes over there. You know
Oh, you got a wife and kids and shit?
you know what I'm saying? You got badass Earl.
That's Earl?
Yeah, that's Earl.
So why the baby got a fucking oldest name?
Man, shit. I asked Luther that shit.
They got diamonds on her?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I had to go ice my
Oh,
dogs
she
out.
bling. Ooh,
Real Johnny
she
Dang
got that
shit.
bling bling on her.
Real Johnny Dang shit.
Check
you
her
know,
out.
Check her out. I'm telling you. You know
Oh, you get your kids right, huh?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Shit. You know how that shit go.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's kind of hard though, a bit. Recording like that.
It's hard.
I need like a little thing to hold my phone.
Thing, did you get that to my kids? I say take it back from that nigga. That's what I do.
I don't want to do. I'm gonna take it.
I'm gonna take it. You get
I'm gonna jack you, boy. I'm gonna get it, boy. If I want it, I'm gonna get it, boy.
Then you got
Susan and Lee.
And Lee.
Okay.
Yup. Shit, other than that shit.
Susie and Anna Lee.
Susan and Anna Lee.
They ugly. Let me give y'all boys a warm start. I want to watch this bitch, but I don't know if I want to watch this bitch. I'm not in the mood. Oh, that bitch sound like a bitch. That bitch sound like a bitch. I want to watch my shit. That's dirty. I know my shit dirty. Yeah, I always need gas, bro. I don't be filling this bitch up, cuz I don't like feeling my shit. Oh, he on the bike. It look like he's there on the bike. Yeah, I'm finna move the car right quick and wash it right quick. Boom. Boom, that's good right there. Watch that. That my car so dirty. Nigga look like your name be Andrew LeBron. Andrew LeBron. Y'all can see, boy. That bit dirty. And I don't play that. Called dirty and I don't play that. Oh, he coming in hot, y'all. I got those sixes on that bitch. Ooh, put them Daytons on that bitch, huh? Got your cup holder.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay, fresh shit, clean shit.
You You know what I'm saying? I got hit off my shit the other day. I had it.
Niggas. Oh, that was it. What a nigga hit you from the back.
Yeah,
nigga hit you
man,
from the back.
nigga,
You got hit off that bitch.
Nigga said, boom, boom.
I can see you getting hit off a bike for real, so this shit be. It'll be fucked up. It'll be fucked up, but it'll be funny. You gonna be all across the road. That bitch gonna be 20 yards away from you.
Yeah, be like, I'm gonna get up in.
Yeah, I was finna paint my brakes back green, but I ain't feel like doing it. I just been lazy lately, bro.
I told him to stay.
Oh, that red too dark, son.
I think that red straight, son. You done changed that bit.
I done changed that bit like 5-6 times, though, but. Son, that bit.
On.
You think I should even wash this bitch or just? I don't think I should even wash this bitch.
I mean, shit, you can get that bit of clean, quick little wash for real.
I don't feel like it though, son. Like, I really feel like fuck this car, cause I want me another one.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna take care of it. But I still feel like fuck it, cause I want me a Hellcat.
Hellcat.
Looking for a job so I can pay my Hellcat note. Got up for it. I would not get one of these. That shit over with. Camaros, ugly.
I heard people who got these cars, they shitty.
They shitty? Like their ass shitty?
Yeah, they shitty.
Yeah.
They real shitty.
Let me see what he been doing with them tires. Man, I should have put them tires on my car, bro.
Them bitches got way more grip than your shit.
Yeah, bro, I need tires now. Look.
I'm looking at them.
Them bitches ball right there. Oh, that bitch too ball, boy. I'm gonna need tire, boy. I need to sell that pack so I can go ahead and give me a tire or something. Hey, whoever out there, if y'all know how to scam, y'all hit me and my boy up. Cause I know a lot of y'all niggas be scamming, and I'm trying to fuck with that. Let that shit equally.
Real equally, 80-30.
Yeah. He said 80-30, nigga. That's way off. He's supposed to 80-20.
80-30.
80-30. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, he jamming in that bitch. Alright, now. Alright, we get down in the hood, nigga. We right here in the hood right now. You hear me? We over here with them white folks at, y'all.
Shit, you know how that goes.
We over here with them white folks right now. I don't feel like washing this bitch, huh?
Shit, don't wash that.
This bit ain't bothering me. I ain't bothering it. So guess what?
Fuck it.
I'm finna park this bitch right where it was at.
Yeah, you need something.
I'm gonna fuck my shit up by the time it's big vlog, you know?
I'm dead.
Go down, son. Walking with that? Walking with something? Come here. Walking with something. All that YouTube. It's just say SRT right now. I gotta go get the TJ.
Okay.
Fuck with me, yo. You know what I'm saying? Niggas just gotta have this. Still outside. That just sound like a bitch.
Big SRT.
Chill out.
Ain't shit. So what we got going today, though?
We ain't got shit going, bro. I think they trying to go to New Orleans, but I don't think I want to go to New Orleans.
What they got going out there?
Racing.
Racing type shit? Shit, how many races?
I don't know. It's a shootout. So
Shootout type shit?
a couple of them.
New Orleans at the pad?
Yeah.
At the pad type shit. Shit, if niggas trying to fuck with that bit. But if ain't nobody going, then fuck it.
Nobody ain't gonna want to go, nigga. We been in New Orleans like 3-4 times now.
Facts, and then last time what happened?
Yeah.
That ain't happening no more. Yeah.